Hello students, very good morning. This is my new YouTube channel that I am going to present before you to impart the knowledge regarding different topics that are taught under accountancy and other different management related subjects in various levels. Being the new channel, I request you to please subscribe it if you feel it is worthwhile to you in the days to come, and also subscribe it to get whatever the video channel I upload to get at first. And I am damn confident that whatever the topic I teach, I give you the knowledge and information regarding the topics will definitely work in the days to come wherever you give the exam, you work in the offices, or wherever these theories and principles work for you. And always I'll be trying my level best to clarify your concept, and if any unclarity works out, or if you like the video, if you don't like the video, whatever the comments are, you can give in the comment box. Let's begin. As being the first topic of my channel, I have chosen the very first topic of accountancy, that is the beginning level, which is called bookkeeping. Every businessman does various transactions. Here transactions means giving and taking activities, or we say exchange activities. So every businessman in day-to-day life indulges into the different day-to-day transactions and exchanges activities. But the thing is here, can they remember all the transactions, and can they retrieve it? Can they get it whenever required? The answer is, being a human being, everyone is limited by their memory. That's why each and every transactions done need to be recorded systematically, date wise, with proper rules in various books. Like that, the transaction done daily, kept in various books of account, is simply known as bookkeeping. Here the name clarifies. Bookkeeping means keeping the books of account systematically, date-wise, so that if any information is required in the days to come, the businessman or the various companies can retrieve it easily. There are also different government agencies, concerned authorities. They demand various financial informations, valuable informations, timely. Take the example of tax authorities. They demand the reports, financial reports, timely every year. So it is only the meaning of bookkeeping that we were going to elaborate. It is simply the meaning is keeping the books of account systematically. In order to elaborate it more clearly, we can say it is a process of recording business transactions in the books of accounts in a very systematic manner that already we have clarified on. Today we are going to touch a very simple topic only in order to start the journey of accountancy, which is very much valuable subject worldwide. Because without bookkeeping or accountancy, no business can flourish. In order to clarify our concept, let's have a glimpse on features of bookkeeping that more clarifies your concept regarding bookkeeping. You can see here the first one is, it is a process of recording business transactions simply. Already I have told you, business transactions are the exchanges, giving and taking activities in the business. So here we can say, it is the process of recording business transactions. The second one is, monetary transactions are only recorded. It means all the exchanges that can be measured in terms of money can only be recorded, and all non-monetary transactions which cannot be measured in terms of money are not recorded. Example, suppose for example salary is paid by the business. How much salary is paid, it can be measured, that's why it is recorded. But for example, any employee has gone for a tour, or simply he gave the gift to any other friend personally or from the business even, which cannot be measured in terms of money. Simply you can say, anything that cannot be measured in terms of money will not be recorded in the business transactions as considered as business transaction and kept in the books of accounts. Simply, suppose purchased goods of rupees 1,000, sold goods of 10,000. These all are monetary transactions, so they are recorded. Bookkeeping is made in given set of books of accounts. For example, journal book, ledger book. These are the books of accounts which are considered under the bookkeeping. The fourth one is, records are prepared under bookkeeping for a specific period. For example, quarterly, yearly. These are the main period for which the bookkeeping is done actually, because every business and companies generally require the report quarterly and yearly. That's why it is written here, specific period. Simply tax authorities as well want the report annually to have the tax calculation and filing the ITR return. The last but not the least, bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions scientifically. It means, why is it written here scientifically? It means there are certain ground rules, concepts, principles of accounting or bookkeeping that we will discuss in our upcoming videos. That's why already I have told you, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the videos at first to elaborate and clarify your knowledge of accountancy and other different relevant subjects of management in the days to come. I think today the topic bookkeeping, slightly I have presented you the review of bookkeeping, and finally I want to conclude, bookkeeping is nothing but it is the recording, it is the process of recording the business transaction in the various books of accounts such as journal, ledger, in order to get the information timely whenever required. Already we have clarified the meaning. It is a process of recording business transaction in the books of account in a very systematic manner. A systematic manner means date wise, in a system. And the last but not the least is the features of bookkeeping. Process of recording business transactions. Monetary transactions are only recorded. Non-monetary transactions are ignored. Recording is made in given sets of books of accounts. Records are prepared for a specific period but presented for future reference. Art of recording business transactions scientifically. I think this video might be fruitful to you, and in the upcoming days other topics are also uploaded. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, and if there are anything, please put your comments on the comment box. Thank you very much.